Hello and welcome to the Boomi video on troubleshooting a runtime cluster node startup after an update. So multi-node runtime provides for increased capacity, failover, and a reduction in downtime. However, the stability and overall performance of a multi-node runtime will rely heavily on the underlying infrastructure, and more specifically, the shared file system along with various features specific to the OS. While a number of issues can occur in a multi-node runtime as a result of the shared file system, the specific issue touches on the need to keep consistent with the underlying infrastructure and the architecture supporting the runtime cluster. This particular issue occurred in a Linux environment, but it can also occur within Windows if the protocol supporting the shared file system is inconsistent with the locking mechanism of the OS. A Boomi installation in a Windows environment should always use the CIFS protocol to avoid failures with file locks, updates, and deletions. And the same holds true for Linux, wherein the NFS protocol is recommended in this scenario. In this particular case, the runtime cluster was initially installed and performed as expected. However, a runtime release and the failure of a secondary node during the startup after the update channeled the focus to the OS, the mount point protocol, and parameters used in the file etc tab. Various errors in the container log were indicative of the shared file system issue, starting with the Java-lang class not found exception. There were various files that couldn't be renamed and also later showed up as being empty. So the following review of the etc tab file on each node revealed the CIFS protocol was in fact used in a Linux environment, which is not recommended. So in this particular case, to resolve the issue, the mount point was changed to use the NFS protocol, along with the various parameters in the user guide topic under the runtime cluster installation checklist for Linux. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.